Nearly 150 students from the Computer Science Department attended the campus conversation session at IBA Karachi. Mr. Naveed Siraj, Country Manager Intel Pakistan, Mr. Asim Haq, Vice President Infotech, Mr. Rahim Lalani, Executive Director TRG, and Mr. Zahiruddin Asif of IBA attended as panelists at the session. The discussion centered on some of the core issues that fresh graduates face upon leaving university, seeking employment, getting recruited, entrepreneurship, and opportunities available to them in the local environment.
People with a very, very positive attitude. I look at people who have the energy and the zest to say, yes, we can do it and we will do it. Not that, इसमें इतनी मुश्किलात हैं, sir, वो 5 बज गया. Until obviously you have classes, you can obviously leave at 5 and attend the 5:40 class. But after that, if you have to put in a little more work, you need to. And you need to understand कि यही आपके दिन हैं और साल हैं जहाँ आप extra effort, extra मेहनत कर सकते हैं.
So for me, the basic element which is required in the first 2 to 5 years is hard work, willingness to learn, and then translating that knowledge into tangible benefit to the company's top line and bottom line.
And honestly, the best candidate is the person with a great GPA. Anything above a 3.6 is good. I'm not saying you have a 4.0.
If you have a higher GPA, it is a reflection of how you've done in the institution. You put in the hard work, you put in the effort, you have the ability to grasp, and you also have the ability to memorize. I mean, this is what happened in Pakistan. So that's what needs to change.
Pakistan में landscape बहुत different है. So when you graduate, the landscape might be very different in terms of what you perceive it today and what and how it would look like when you want to enter the job market.
Unfortunately, what happens is we suffer from brain drain in Pakistan. So one of the best people are leaving the country every year, which means that you don't have those role models available in Pakistan alongside you in the workplace. You see the people who couldn't get the job role. So what happens is, 5 o'clock, it's time for me to go home, I'm home 5 hours, it's good enough.
You have to take your attitude. I do admit that we have to, IB administration has to take part of the blame because I have made this session compulsory for all of you, right? And this is a regular happening at IBA. We make these kind of sessions compulsory, and then they just come here because of they'll miss their attendance. So the level of engagement is a bit low.
Look what graduates are doing in the international world. See the hours they put in. See how they rate themselves. And judge yourselves according to that, as opposed to maybe your boss, who honestly in Pakistan may be a 9-to-5. When you crack that and realize that there's a whole new level that you can operate at, then you'll reach your potential.
And by attitude, I mean the positive attitude, the way they look at life, the way they look at work, not the ego attitude, right? Because there are some where that is great. But essentially.
So the question is that what do you really expect from a graduate when they come appealing for a job or something? So what do you expect and how do you actually rate them? Because there's always this one school of thought that says that GPA is of substantial importance, right?
But we are all IT projects, so programming does count. What if this GPA is getting lowered by the subjects which are not related to IT, and when he has to go to get a job, so he doesn't get very good remarks or many such on GPA?
Actually, I've attended a lot of sessions like Enro, PNG, Festival, and Tarek, and all of them count. All of them basically put that GPA doesn't matter, and at the end of the half they are there, and at the end of the year, they end up selecting people with GPAs of 3.6, 3.7, or how many later हम लोग बेचारे ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं.
I want to ask that how much has the reference system influenced the job recruitment of IT industry? It's a reference system known as the purchase system.
We are assembled here today at the IBA. It was a privilege, and I'm extremely proud that we were able to have a conversation with the IBA CS program students, sharing with them how the job market looks like, what are the needs of the industry, what sort of human resource profiles do employers require to cater to the industry needs. Also, we've shared our own personal experiences in terms of what we are looking for in a candidate.
I'm really happy about the session that we had today with some of the leading industry experts, including my best friends Asim, Naveed and Rahim. They are not new to IBA, they keep frequenting us very often, and we are very happy to have them here.
It has provided me with a lot of information about what the industry currently wants.
My passion to come here was actually to try and ascertain the students' key gaps kya hain and how we can actually fulfill or bridge those gaps.
But I have a good GPA, but I have to improve my attitude.
I'm very much glad to attend it over again in the next semester or next year.